50 Cent is said to have dodged criminal charges after hurling a microphone that struck a female fan in the face. The Inda Club rapper, aged 48, born Curtis James Jackson III, is said to have chucked the mic in frustration in August during his show at Crypto.com arena in Los Angeles after he was handed several broken ones. Entertainment Times has now reported no criminal charges have been filed against the 48-year-old rapper and won't be filed as long as he keeps his nose clean. It added, "We're told the case will remain open for 1 year from the date of the incident, and it could be reevaluated for possible criminal charges should there be any further incidents between 50 Cent and Brihanna." Power 106 radio host. Brihanna Moneygain was said to have been hit in the face by 50 Cent's mic, but the rapper has claimed he didn't intentionally strike the concert-goer. Brihanna filed a police report after the ordeal, and candy shop rapper 50 Cent was named a criminal battery suspect. Serena Williams and her husband, Alexis Ohanian, are getting into the holiday spirit with a little local theater, showing face in a ballet play. One that their daughter is in, has obtained photos of the couple on stage Sunday during a production of The Nutcracker, which was being put on by a ballet school near Palm Beach Gardens, FL, where this play was going down at a local venue with the little ones taking the lead. Eyewitnesses tell us some adults made appearances as well, including Serena and Alexis, whom we're told played guests at a party during one scene. They were definitely in character. You can see Mama and Papa Bear dressed in full costumes as they acted out their parts, this while the other kid actors' performers stood around and welcomed them on stage. It looks like a fancy pretend get-together, 'cause SW did a sweet little curtsy next to her hubby. This Sunday matinee wasn't the only performance they did BTW. We're told they did their thing for Saturday's show as well. Super cute, obviously, and it just goes to show Serena and Alexis are very involved in their children's lives. As you know, Serena and Alexis got hitched in 2017, a couple months after they had their first daughter, who's about 6 years old or so right now, and who was in this play. They welcomed a second child earlier this year. A little baby girl named Adira